what's your advice on getting our first sub-2 deal and wrapping it? How quickly do you think we can do it? And how would you do it? Well, first of all, Matt, I would not use a wrap. And I know in some states, if you're going to do business, that's the preferred method. And they have a lot of legislation that makes it painful to not do it that way. So if you're in Texas, that could be a problem for you. We sell on contract for deed. If you're talking about buying subject to and selling with seller financing in general, in this market, you can sell a house very quickly. 60+% of people that approach a mortgage broker about getting a loan can't qualify. And I think Andrew's in here today. He can probably verify that number. That means these people are actively looking for houses. Everybody wants to buy a house today. Getting a seller to give you the authority to take over the payments and then walking away, it still happens on a regular basis. There are people that get a divorce every day and can't afford to pay with one income. There are people that have to get job transfers that don't have a ton of equity. Every market isn't screaming, okay? So you get that thing under contract, you start marketing it immediately. Our goal is always to have it sold before we buy it. And typically, if they're not in distress, if our sellers aren't in distress, you can allow yourself 30, 45 days to close, and you can get your buyer installed in that period of time. So go out there, get a house under contract, Matt. If it's a nice house, if it's a good house someone wants to live in, you'll find a buyer for it. I'm telling you, finding a buyer is definitely the easiest part today. And I think you can certainly do it within 30 days.